Hey guys, welcome to the iCloud Go channel. If you bought a second-hand iPad and the previous owner didn't remove their Apple ID, or if you're preparing to sell your old iPad but forgot the Apple ID password, this video will show you 3 clear and effective ways to remove an Apple ID from an iPad without a password. Tip 1. Reset iPad from settings. Before you try more advanced methods, first check whether your iPad allows a full factory reset directly from the Settings app. Many newer iPads running recent versions of iPadOS allow users to erase the device using only the screen passcode without entering the Apple ID password. You can try the following. Open Settings, then go to General, and then choose Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your screen passcode. If your device supports this type of reset, the iPad will begin erasing itself immediately, and you will not be asked for the previous owner's Apple ID password. If the iPad asks you to enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPad, then this method will not work. In that situation, continue with the next method. Tip 2. Restore iPad using iTunes or Finder. This method only works when Find My iPad is turned off. You need to connect your iPad to your Windows PC or Mac using a USB cable. If this is the first time you have connected the device, select Trust this computer and enter your passcode. If you are using Windows or macOS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes or Apple devices. If you are using macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. Select your iPad from the list of devices. Click Restore. Confirm your choice. The computer will download the necessary firmware and start the restore process. Wait until the restoration is fully completed. After your iPad restarts and displays the Hello screen, it indicates that your Apple ID has been successfully removed from your iPad. You can now follow the setup process to complete the configuration. Tip 3. Remove Apple ID using 4U-key. If Find My iPad is turned on, or you do not know the Apple ID password, a professional tool such as Tenorshare 4U-key can remove the Apple ID for you. Connect your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If a prompt asking to trust this computer appears, select Trust. Open Tenorshare 4U-key and choose the option called Remove Apple ID. Click Start Removal and the Download option to obtain the compatible iPadOS firmware. Once completed, you can begin resetting your iPad to remove the Apple ID. Ensure your device has a 6-digit passcode set up and 2-factor authentication enabled. When the 4U-key displays the message Apple ID removed successfully, complete the setup steps on your iPad. On the iPad Locked to Owner page, select Unlock with passcode. Then use your device passcode to complete device activation. At this point, the old Apple ID will be removed completely, and you will be free to sign in with your own Apple ID. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to iCloud Go for more iPhone and iPad unlocking guides.